Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Quick update on the weather. We've got some pretty good rain moving into the region, but it's beginning to fall apart just a little bit. The interesting thing about this is we've got this real nice essentially like a mini cool front. You could see it right here on the radar. It's hard to tell, but if you look outside, if you're in Charlotte and you look off this direction, you'll see a big wave of clouds heading off in your general direction. Now, it's not really a lot of wind behind it. There's some strong winds. In fact, let's look at the velocity data. You can see it on the velocity data much clearer. The winds aren't super strong there. It is a little bit breezy as those winds move in, but it's just kind of a leading edge of some gustier winds. Now, I've turned off some of the layers, and I'm going to loop this a couple times to give you an idea how these things are moving. We've got a couple isolated showers developing around Mount Holly, some real heavy rain with these, likely some small hail is possible with the stronger cells. A couple up near Huntersville and Cornelius, heading up towards Mooresville. The big story tonight really has been the extremely heavy rain in the mountains. We've got a flood advisory for Burke County, serious amounts of rainfall. In fact, let's look at the storm totals. These yellow areas in here are rain totals of about 3 to 4 inches. So it's isolated, but there's been some extremely heavy rain in those areas. Widen this out a little bit. I'll start to loop here. You can see the movement. Oh, got a big jump there. But you can see the storm tracks. These things are basically moving almost due east right now. The whole line is moving off in this direction, while the individual storms are moving like this. So if you take this whole line, it's actually shifting east, but the storm itself, or the line of storms, is actually moving off in that direction. So that's just a quick update. I'll be tracking these throughout the evening. They're non-severe, so really not too much to worry about. There's not a lot of lightning. There is some lightning back in Cleveland County, a little bit of lightning up in Alexander County, near Harmony up in Iredell County. But in the Charlotte area, just don't see a whole lot right now. But get ready. Brief heavy downpour. If you got any kids' toys outside or something that that can't get wet, go ahead and grab it, bring it inside, because there is some rain on the way. And there could be more overnight as the cold front back to the west moves in tomorrow. We'll see one more day of storms before a big cool down, of course. I'll break this all down for you tonight at 11 on NBC Charlotte. See you then.